Hi, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums. I want to show you this mini album real quick. This measures 7 by 7 and the pages are 6 1/4 by 6 1/4. I was using up this paper pad that I've had in my stash, and I had to supplement it with some other things. This cover, I have picked up this paper at Joann's. It's white, but because everything else was purple, I just used my alcohol marker and just colored it in, and it just goes real well. The spine is made with this textured paper. Sort of looks like purple alligator skin, or we'll say dragon. So let me take you inside. On the inside cover, I made a shaker element with these spider confetti, and there's a couple of little white gems just to add something fun in the inside. And then the first page has a pocket. So with the pages being 6 1/4 by 6 1/4, you can easily use 4 by 6 photos, but if you have other ones cropped down, then they will fit on there nicely as well. There is a 4 by 4 photo that fits on the photo mat real well. And then each page does have a hidden pocket page that comes out. So if you were to have, this is a 4 by 6 photo, if you were to have landscape pictures and you wanted to use portrait on the album, then use the hidden photo mats for those landscape pictures. And the groupings of pages have this swing tab, and that was made with a Tim Holtz die. Don't you love the flowers on that? So you could get a nice grouping of photos here. And again, that's 5 1/2 by about 3 1/2. That's the 4 by 6, and that's 4 by 4. So that fits on the pages nicely. And there's the hidden photo mat. Nice crows there. There's not much embellishment on these pages because if you were to put a picture there, sometimes the embellishments will get in the way, so I left this one rather simple. It opens like that. And here's another hidden photo mat. And here's the last page. That's bats. And again, room here for, so that's a 4 by 4 picture, but you could easily put your 4 by 6 on the back cover, because this one, I mean, even if you go like that, that would look okay. And there's that. And there's that. So quick and simple mini album. If you'd like to see more, don't forget to hit the notification button. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see what else is new and what's coming up. Thanks for watching.